Good morning, everyone. Today is July 5th. It's currently 7:48 in the morning. I just woke up, and as you know, this video is going to be a vlog, like a culinary student day in a lifetime. And I haven't planned anything for today, so I basically would do whatever I'm doing on a usual day, normal, and you guys will go with me. So let's get into it. Alright, so I took a shower, I got ready, and it's currently 8:32 in the morning, and I'm going to the egg to eat breakfast. And one thing is pretty nice about the egg this semester is that they actually have breakfast, My first semester, there was only two stations that have breakfast, but this semester they actually have breakfast. They have like a mini bread station, which is very good that you can like toast your bread. They have bagels, they have English muffins, they have different types of toasts. It's very good. And one thing that I love about the egg is that coffee is free if you have your own mug. If not, you basically have to pay for the cup or pay for the paper cup, and then you can get coffee. So let's go to the egg to see what's up. And as you guys can see, nobody actually goes to the egg to eat breakfast. It's empty. Nobody's here, you see? Yeah, nobody's here. And right here we have all the menu, like all the stations which are open. You got the sandwich station, they have two different types of sandwich. You have breakfast buffet. You have bagel, you have different types of spreads, oatmeal, toppings, yogurt bar. Yeah, it's pretty good. There are a lot of options. Alright, so I'm in the back patio of the egg right now. I couldn't record this video in the egg because they're playing music and my video will get copyrighted if I like record it over there. So I'm here. There is a beautiful view, as you guys can see. Now it's a little bit foggy. It's early in the morning and it's a little bit foggy. I basically got coffee, I got a bagel, I toasted it with cream cheese. And yeah, I will eat this and then I'll record another video for you guys. Alright, I ate my breakfast. I'm gonna go back to the egg to go to my room. And on my way out, I'm gonna show you guys students are preparing lunch for the egg. There's a class called High Volume Production that students will be at the egg for 3 weeks, and they basically prepare food for other students, and it's actually a class, it's not a job. I took that class as my first block of the semester. Later on, I'm gonna let you guys know how the blocks work, how many blocks you have in each semester and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that what are those students doing at the egg. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm heading back to my room, and as you guys saw, students were preparing food at the egg. The high volume production is the name of that class, and in that class you basically learn how to prepare food in high volume. Each station serves about like 100 to 150 people each day, and that's a lot. It's high volume, you know. It was honestly one of my favorite classes here at the egg because you actually have freedom. Like, your chef gives you a recipe, you're gonna make this, but you actually have freedom. You can adjust that recipe. You can tell your chef that, can I use this spice in it, can I use this ingredient in it, and you actually have freedom, which is very, very nice. You don't have that much freedom in other classes, you know. Alright guys, I did some laundry. I have to wait about 40 to 45 minutes to go back and put those on the dryer, and in the meanwhile I'm gonna do some homework.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can...
Alright guys, so I did all my homework. I did the quizzes that I had to take. My clothes are in the dryer right now. It's currently 11:18, and I'm gonna go to the egg to eat lunch now. And while I'm over there, I'm gonna print my menus that I'm gonna need for today. This is what I have for lunch, is Mexican lasagna and an orange juice. In total, these two I think were 10 points, I believe. And after I eat this, I will go and print my recipes. Alright guys, I've printed my recipes and my prep list. I'm going back to my room. I have a class at 12:30. Now it's 11:44. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my room, review my recipes, review my prep list, know what I'm like doing today and stuff. And I'll put my whites on, and then I'm going to class. Alright, so I basically came back. I printed everything that I needed. I'm getting ready for class. It's, I think, 12:01 something. And at the CIA, whenever you have class, like let's say you have class at 12:30, your chef, your professor accepts you to be there at 12:15, you know? So 15 minutes, even 30 minutes early won't hurt. It's really good. And right now I'm basically tying my neckerchief. If you don't know how to tie your neckerchief, I've made a video on my YouTube channel. Make sure to watch that one too. Yeah, so basically I'm going to Modern Banquet. Modern Banquet is a class basically where you learn how to cater, what does catering companies do, how to manage your profits, how to manage your business, how to manage your food inventory, everything basically. And I feel like the key thing in every kitchen class here at the CIA is teamwork, because you always work with someone else. It's very, very rare that you work on something by yourself. It's very rare. And yeah, so you would always work with someone else, and it's very, very good to have like good communication skills, because you're always communicating during the hours that you're in class, you know? So we're going to class at 12:30, and we probably are there until probably like 6:30 something. Yeah, 6:30. And today our menu is basically like Thanksgiving menu. We have turkey, it's basically like Thanksgiving. But in Modern Banquet, you actually prep for the day after, which means, so today we're going to prep for tomorrow's menu. Tomorrow's menu is going to be sauteed chicken and vegetarian lasagna, I believe. That's the menu for tomorrow. So yeah, in modern banquet, you basically prep today for tomorrow's service. That's how it goes. And it's actually, banquets are just like that. Catering is just like that. You don't make everything the day that you have to provide the food. You know what I mean? You basically prepare everything for, like, I don't know, 2 days in advance, 3 days in advance, and then on the day that you have to provide service, you basically gather everything together. That's how it usually is. I'm basically rolling my sleeves right now because I don't like it when they're like this. Here, they say that it's not really like part of the dress code to like roll up your sleeves because it can protect you from burning. Like, let's say you're sauteing something, the oil might splash you and this can like protect you. But in my opinion, it's just like very dangerous. You see this gap? Like, whenever you want to reach something, this gap is very dangerous. Yeah, so I basically like to roll it up because it's just cleaner. And like when you're cutting something, this is not on your cutting board and it's white, you know? You can get the color of everything. Yeah, so, and at the CIA, whenever you have a kitchen class, you gotta be prepared for that class. Alright guys, it's 12:15 right now. I have everything ready. I have my knife bag. I have all the things that I need right here. And I'm heading to class.
That's what we meant by pants gets higher.
What do you got over there? Onion?
Drying that pan, Carl.
Is this for your next YouTube video?
Yeah.
Carl, it's a little dry in that pan, bro. You might want to add a little oil or something.
This is beef consomme? Oh, what is it?
It's regular consomme. She just fucked it up.
Did
Hey,
Chef
Bear?
Sherrock come in and turn it all the way up?
What kind of shit?
Stefan loves our chef though right now.
This guy.
Okay, I just got into my room and as you guys saw, I didn't record a lot of videos today in the kitchen because three of our classmates were absent today, and it was just a challenge because my teammate was absent, my partner was absent, two other people were absent, and when one person is absent during your kitchen class, it just basically throws everyone off. It's not a bad thing, like they had to be absent, but like it's gonna be a challenge for everyone because you're missing two hands, you know what I mean? And yeah, it was pretty challenging today. At the end of the class, our blast chiller broke, and what time is it? It's 6:40 right now, you see? It's 6:40. We usually get out of class at like 5:30, 5:45. And yeah, today was a little bit challenging. I couldn't record a lot of videos, but at least you have an idea of what I do during the day, like as a culinary student here at the Culinary Institute of America. And yeah, so now I just got out of class. I would take a shower. I would probably study a little bit more, see my schedule for tomorrow, see if I have any quizzes, anything. Yeah, so I would take a shower and then talk to you guys a little bit more. Alright guys, I took a shower and I would like to let you guys know what actually happened in class today because I didn't talk much while I was recording in class. I only took like, I don't know how many, 2 or 3 videos. I was busy, like everyone's busy today, everyone was so busy. But so today, at the starting of kitchen class, you basically receive the order. The first person who goes to the class, the order is in front of the classroom. He or she would basically bring the order in. They would check the paper, they would check the quantity and the quality. And then you basically have to check every single item like that. And after that, every group basically takes their ingredients and start working on it. And today, because we had 3 people absent in our class, it was like very hard. Like in my group, I had to small dice a lot of vegetables. I had to small dice parsnip, rutabaga, celeriac or celery root, leeks, apples, and these actually took a very long time, because when you're small dicing something, it's very precise. You have to pay very like close attention to it. And yeah, that was that. And then I basically julienned a lot of carrots, julienned about 4 pounds of carrots. And when I mean 4 pounds, it's not just 4 pounds of carrots and then I julienned them. It was about like, I don't know, like 7 or 8 pounds, and then when I julienned them, it was 4 pounds of julienned carrots. And yeah, I blanched those carrots. And today actually was the last day of the turkey menu, last day of Thanksgiving menu. From tomorrow we will have a chicken entree and a vegetarian lasagna. Yeah, so today was the last day of this menu, and every 3 days your menu changes. And it's not just your menu, your team changes also. So the guy who I was working with today, who was absent, tomorrow I will work with another person, and the menu changes also. Yeah. And yeah, so that's basically it. It was a nice day. I wouldn't say it was hard. It wasn't hard. It was definitely challenging though, you know. Alright everyone, so this was basically my day as a culinary student here at the Culinary Institute of America. And I will definitely make more videos like this, more kitchen class videos, because I know you guys like that. If you don't want to miss out on other videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video so YouTube will show this video to more people who are interested to watch something like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later. Thank you.